Hi everyone. So, you want to spice up your Figma designs with custom font. Nice choice. Let me break this down for you whether you're on a desktop app or working through a browser. No stress, it's pretty straightforward. First things first, you'll need to get that font onto your computer. I am using thefont.com to download the font. I like this one. It will download font in zip file. Extract the zip file and open the extracted folder. Make sure it's a TTF or OTF font file, and then install it. For Windows users, it's better to double-click the file and select Install. Similarly, if you're on a Mac, just double-click the file and hit Install Font. A quick tip, peek into your system's font manager afterward. Font book for Mac, font settings under personalization for Windows, to confirm it's sitting there ready to roll. Now open Figma. If you're using the desktop app, it'll automatically pick up any fonts you've installed. Click the text tool and create a text box. Go to right panel, scroll, and you will find fonts under Typography. Search. Your new font should be right there in the drop-down. Easy. If you're working in a browser, there's one extra step. First, open Figma in a browser. Now grab the Figma Font Installer from their official download page. Link is in the description. Install it. Refresh your Figma browser tab. Search your font and you will find it. How is that? By the way, that font installer runs a tiny local server on your machine, but don't worry. It only talks to Figma's website, so you're good. A couple things to keep in mind. Google fonts are already baked into Figma, so those work instantly without any setup. But if you're collaborating, remember custom fonts only display for teammates who've installed them too. Otherwise, they'll see a warning and can't edit text in that font. Oh, and Chrome OS or Linux users, sorry, custom fonts aren't an option there. You're stuck with Google Fonts for now. That's all there is to it. Go make those designs pop. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to hit that like button or subscribe. Drop a comment saying you subscribed, and I'll make sure to shout back a thanks. Catch you in the next one.